Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And today I want to show you how I made my nice, good, perfect smash burger. I mean, very delicious to make. Follow along with me and you will like the way I make it. I guarantee you, try it and you will like it. Okay, in our smash burgers we're going to have one tablespoon of seasoned salt. That's what this. We need a little bit of chili powder, just about like that. Then we want about 3 shakes of pepper. 1, 2, 3. Another black pepper. Okay, that'd be enough. Okay, now we just want to take our hands and just combine all this together. Make sure this gets incorporated into each other. Plate, you want to take small pieces like this and you just want to form a few patties like that. Okay, that'd be enough for now. Come back in a moment. Before we go, we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit more season on top of them. This helps sure it's got, you know. Anyways, we'll come back. Okay. We'll take a butter stick and you just want to put enough butter on there as you can. What I like to do is start with 1 at a time like that. What we're going to do and this right here is how you get this perfectly smashed burger. The way you get it at like Sonic. Now if you don't want a smash burger, don't do this. But I tell you, I love smash burgers. Okay, you want to take a little bit of ketchup and mustard and you want to mix them together because it's going to be a sauce. It's a simple little sauce, nothing hard. And then you're going to put just a little bit on the bottom. Just about like that. Not too much. A little bit of relish. Not the sweet one, but the dill. And then we're going to have mushrooms and some onions. Like that. Perfect. Okay. We're going to start moving this. Start with it. And that's the burger. Okay, check out that smash burger. Look how big that is. That's 4 smash burgers on some cheese, some mushrooms, onions, a little bit of mustard, or ketchup, just like Sonic's does. Very delicious. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Anyway, look at that. We're gonna do a taste test on that. That is just beautiful. So beautiful. We have got to. Oh my god, that is just so good. Let's look at that. Oh god. Anyway, follow along on the video and watch how I do this. Very delicious, very good. And y'all have a blessed day.